Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth to a Buick Lacrosse 2013. Begin by turning on your phone Bluetooth and setting it to discoverable, then power the car's infotainment and open the phone pairing menu. Select Add Device or Pair New Device, choose your phone from the system list, and confirm any PIN prompts on both devices. Wait for confirmation that audio and phone features are enabled so you can make calls and stream music. Start pairing by selecting phone or Bluetooth on the Buick Lacrosse display, then choose Add Device or Pair New Device. Your phone should show the car's Bluetooth name. Tap it to connect and check the PIN that appears on both screens. Confirm the PIN on your phone and accept the connection on the car system when prompted. Once paired, enable contacts and audio permissions on your phone so voice dialing and music streaming work smoothly while driving. If pairing fails, restart your phone and the car's infotainment system, then attempt pairing again from scratch. Clear any old paired devices on the Buick Lacrosse to avoid conflicts and free up pairing slots. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and operating system are updated, and check for any available infotainment updates for the car. If problems persist, try pairing a different phone to isolate the issue, or consult a dealership for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.